Hingula Bhasma, a mercury sulfide (HGS) based Ayurvedic formulation, is documented in classical Ayurvedic texts and pharmacopoeias. Rasendra Sarasangraha describes preparation methods, shodhana, marana, and therapeutic uses for ailments like respiratory disorders and diabetes. Rasa Ratna Samuchaya details purification processes and indications for neurological and skin diseases. Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India (API) standardizes preparation protocols and quality parameters. Bhaisajya Ratnavali mentions its use in treating fever and metabolic disorders. Pharmaceutical analytical standardization. Modern studies focus on ensuring safety and consistency. Physiochemical analysis (XRD, SEM) confirms crystalline structure, hexagonal HGS, and nanoparticle size after proper calcination. FTIR identifies functional groups, ensuring complete oxidation of raw cinnabar. AAS, ICP-MS detects heavy metals, free mercury, to ensure compliance with safety limits, WHO guidelines. Pharmacopoeial standards. API specifies limits for loss on drying, less than 1%, ash content, and particle size, less than 10 micrometers. Key finding: proper preparation converts toxic elemental mercury into inert HGS, minimizing toxicity risks. Clinical studies and results. Preclinical studies, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, shown efficacy against pathogens, E. coli*, and in reducing inflammation in rodent models. Anti-diabetic, improved glucose metabolism in diabetic rats. Neuroprotective, potential in mitigating oxidative stress in neurodegenerative models. Human studies, small-scale studies report benefits in respiratory conditions, e.g., asthma and arthritis, but lack rigorous design. Hingula Bhasma is a classical Ayurvedic herbo-mineral formulation primarily used for its immune-boosting, rejuvenative, and therapeutic properties. Ingredients and preparation. Primary ingredients: Hingula, purified cinnabar, a mercury sulfide compound, detoxified using ginger juice Ardraka swarasa. Haritala, purified arsenic trisulfide, processed with ash gourd juice, Kushmanda swarasa to neutralize toxicity. Adjuvants like cloves, lavanga, and ginger, Ardraka, enhance bioavailability and reduce side effects. Preparation: purification, shodhana, and incineration, marana, enclosed mud crucibles using controlled heat. Puta, to produce nano-sized particles, 1 to 2 micrometers, enhancing absorption. Therapeutic uses and indications. Hingula Bhasma is traditionally prescribed for fever, jwara, acts as an antipyretic and immune modulator. Skin diseases, kushta, balances kapha and pitta doshas, addressing eczema, psoriasis, etc. Liver disorders, kamala, used in jaundice and hepatitis. Rheumatoid arthritis, reduces inflammation and joint pain. Diabetes, regulates blood sugar levels. Splenic disorders, supports spleen function. Safety and contraindications. Toxicity mitigation. Traditional detoxification, shodhana, reduces heavy metal toxicity, making it biocompatible. Contraindications: avoid during pregnancy, lactation, and in children. Contraindicated with allopathic drugs without medical supervision. Side effects: improper dosage or preparation may lead to nausea, dizziness, or heavy metal accumulation. Efficacy and mechanism of action. Nanomedicine properties: reduced particle size, nanoscale, facilitates cellular uptake and targeted delivery, enhancing therapeutic effects. Immunomodulation, boosts overall immunity and vitality. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, mitigates oxidative stress and inflammation, particularly in arthritis and liver diseases. Research status. Heavy metal detoxification. A 2018 study highlighted the role of shodhana in reducing mercury toxicity in Hingula Bhasma using Artocarpus lakucha fruit juice. General Bhasma studies. Nanoparticle characterization confirms safety and bioavailability in Ayurvedic formulations. Clinical trials are limited but underscore the need for standardized protocols to validate efficacy in chronic conditions like cancer and diabetes. Classical references and availability texts, cited in Rasatarangini and Yoga Ratnakara brands. Available as capsules from Katakal Arya Vaidya Sala. Dosage: 60 to 125 mg, post-meal, with ginger juice or under physician guidance. Conclusion: Hingula Bhasma exemplifies the synergy of Ayurvedic nanomedicine, offering broad-spectrum therapeutic benefits when prepared and administered correctly. While traditional practices and modern research affirm its efficacy, rigorous standardization and clinical validation are critical for global acceptance. Always consult a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner for personalized use.